Looking for the perfect blend of performance and style for your kitchen? The best under-cabinet vent hood ensures powerful ventilation, removes smoke and odors, and keeps your cooking space fresh while adding a sleek, modern touch to your home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AMZCHEF Under-Cabinet Vent Hood. The AMZCHEF Under-Cabinet Vent Hood is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, stylish, and functional ventilation solution for their kitchen. Built with durable 430 stainless steel, this 30-inch range hood is designed not only for long-lasting use, but also to maintain a modern aesthetic that complements both classic and contemporary kitchen designs. Its sturdy construction helps protect the suction motor from damage while also preventing oil and smoke from seeping out during heavy cooking sessions. One of the standout features is its dual operation system, which includes both touch control via a smart LCD screen and the added convenience of a remote control. This allows you to adjust fan speeds or set timers even if your hands are busy with cooking or you're multitasking with children and pets. The hood is equipped with a powerful 3-speed fan, which quickly exhausts smoke, vapor, and oil from your kitchen, improving air quality while making housework less stressful. Energy efficiency is further enhanced with two 1.5 watts LED lights that provide bright visibility over your stove without adding much to your energy bill. Cleaning is made simple with two stainless steel filters that are dishwasher safe, resistant to grease, stains, and rust. The hood is also easy to assemble or disassemble, making it suitable for homeowners who value low-maintenance appliances. With dimensions of 29.8 inches by 19.7 inches by 5.98 inches and a 6-inch air outlet diameter, the AMZCHEF vent hood is compact yet powerful, saving valuable kitchen space while delivering strong ventilation performance. Whether wall-mounted or installed under the cabinet, this model blends seamlessly into your kitchen layout. Number 2. IKTCH Under-Cabinet Vent Hood. The IKTCH Under-Cabinet Vent Hood is a powerhouse designed for homeowners who do a lot of heavy-duty cooking and require maximum ventilation performance. With a class-leading 900 CFM airflow capacity, this range hood features dual motors that can efficiently remove large amounts of smoke, grease, and odors, making it a great option for families that frequently cook with high heat or strong spices. Despite its powerful performance, it maintains a noise level of less than 65 dB even at high speeds, and an impressively quiet 40 dB on its lowest setting, ensuring a peaceful kitchen environment. The IKTCH hood integrates modern smart technology into its design, featuring a gesture sensing and touch control panel, a digital screen, and a delay shutoff function, all of which add to its user-friendly operation. Constructed with a full stainless steel body, beveled sides, and a rolled hem bottom, the hood combines durability with safety, preventing accidental injuries while maintaining a professional-grade look. It also comes with dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters, which are more durable than traditional charcoal filters and require less frequent replacement. This makes the IKTCH vent hood a cost-effective and low-maintenance option over time. The inclusion of two adjustable LED lamps provides excellent visibility while cooking, with a 4000K color temperature that enhances food presentation by displaying true colors. Number 3. CIARRA Under-Cabinet Vent Hood. The CIARRA Under-Cabinet Vent Hood is an ideal solution for smaller kitchens, condos, or apartments where space-saving and efficiency are priorities. With its ultra-slim design, measuring just 3.94 inches in height, this range hood fits easily under most cabinets without overwhelming the kitchen's layout. Despite its compact size, it delivers effective ventilation performance with a maximum noise level of just 6.5 sones at the highest setting, making it a quiet addition to your cooking space. The 30-inch hood is operated by simple mechanical push buttons, ensuring ease of use for anyone in the household. For homeowners who want a balance between function and affordability, the CIARRA offers superior filtration with its 5-layer mesh filters that effectively trap grease and oil, preventing cooking odors from spreading throughout your home. The filters are easy to remove and clean, ensuring consistent performance over time. Another practical feature is its dual-mode ventilation system. It can operate as a ducted hood or as a ductless model with the optional carbon filter CIARRA 006, giving flexibility for kitchens without external venting options. The addition of two bright cooking lights positioned on either side of the hood ensures even illumination across the cooking surface, whether you are preparing meals on the left or right burners. The slim yet durable build makes the CIARRA vent hood a practical choice for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited kitchen space who still wants dependable ventilation. Number 4. FIREGAS Under Cabinet Vent Hood. The FIREGAS Under Cabinet Vent Hood combines performance, versatility, and quiet operation, making it an appealing option for medium to large kitchens. With a ducted or ductless convertible design, it provides flexibility to match your kitchen's layout, whether you have external ventilation or need to use a charcoal filter. The 36-inch hood delivers an airflow capacity of 300 CFM, which is sufficient for effectively clearing smoke, steam, and odors from daily cooking tasks. Equipped with a 3-speed exhaust fan, you can customize the ventilation level based on your cooking intensity, ensuring fresh air circulation at all times. One of the most impressive aspects of the FIREGAS vent hood is its quiet performance, operating at less than 45 dB even at high speeds thanks to its brushless DC motor. This ensures a peaceful cooking environment while maintaining strong airflow. The hood uses a 3-layer aluminum filter along with a CC170 charcoal filter to capture grease and odors efficiently, simplifying maintenance while improving longevity. These filters are easy to clean, further reducing household chores. Its design also features user-friendly button controls, which make operating the fan and lights straightforward. For added convenience, it includes 1.5W LED lights that provide clear visibility across your cooking surface, enhancing both safety and efficiency. Number 5. KENDRAJA Under Cabinet Vent Hood. The KENDRAJA Under Cabinet Vent Hood offers a strong combination of performance, style, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for many kitchens. Crafted from premium 430 stainless steel, its 30-inch pyramidal design brings a touch of elegance while also ensuring durability. The hood delivers a large airflow capacity of 550 CFM, thanks to its iron-constructed fan wheel with an increased blade count, providing instant ventilation to remove smoke, odors, and excess heat from the kitchen. With convertible ventilation modes, it can operate as a ducted system with an exhaust pipe or in ductless mode with a charcoal filter, making it adaptable for different kitchen setups. The KENDRAJA vent hood features easy 5-button controls for fan speed and lighting, making it simple to adjust settings while cooking. Noise levels are kept under 66 decibels, which is manageable even at high speeds. Illumination is provided by 2 bright 3W LED lamps, ensuring clear visibility at night and improving safety in the kitchen. Another standout feature is its superior filtration system, which consists of 2 permanent aluminum filters along with 5-layer aluminum mesh and 1-layer stainless steel mesh filters. These are removable, reusable, and dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleaning and long-term cost savings. The hood is designed for easy installation, fitting most kitchen layouts seamlessly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.